One way to add style to your home is to take a look at the walls. Like that garage floor, they are often overlooked.
Bring new life to a wall without really breaking the bank.
Right, and to show us how, here's Andrew Cragen.
Hi, I'm Andrew Cragen with Designing Spaces. I'm here to help a lovely couple out who just moved in last week.
This is one embossed panel by the name of Encinitas, which is one of our AquaTile products. This is designed to be high moisture resistant as well as high mildew resistant. We're going to be installing this with adhesive on the back of the panel.
Oh, hey guys.
The installation went well in here, and your selection is perfect.
Very nice. I told you guys it was a do-it-yourself project.